Today, we are making these crispy, savory paneer waffles packed with protein and fiber and made with real, wholesome ingredients. Into a mixing bowl, I'm adding grated paneer, oat flour, Greek yogurt, chopped bell peppers, spinach, and you can even add some green chili for some extra heat. Then I'm adding scallions, onions, and freshly chopped cilantro. Then come the spices: salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, dash of red chili powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, and crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves for that extra flavor. A quick squeeze of lime and we give everything a good mix. Sprinkle some water and then give the batter a good mix if you think that the batter is too tight. Now, I'm heating up the waffle iron and brushing it with a little olive oil. Dollop the batter right in, spread it gently, and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until golden and delicious. Once it's golden and cooked, gently lift the waffle out. Repeat the same steps to cook the rest. Brush, dollop, and crisp it up. These waffles are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or lunchboxes, and there is no protein powder needed. Serve them as is or with your favorite mint chutney or creamy dip on the side. So easy, so tasty, and a total win for the whole family. See you all next time with more healthy recipes.